Wow, this pot is different. Guys, this broth is very stimulating. It's really exciting. Habibi, I'm your good brother. Lawang, a friend said, you eat hot pot every day, and it's all pretty much the same. Can't you find a hot pot with some character? Today, Lao Wang found a unique hot pot. It's in the market, transforming the market into a hot pot restaurant. Let's go and check out the price of this hot pot. How do you feel? Let's go, guys. I took a taxi and waited in the car for an hour. Am I still in Chengdu? You guys help me take a look. I ran so far. Hello, bro. Can you read? Where is this restaurant? Do you know? Thank you. How much is this? Come on. Let's get one to whet our appetites. Let's go. Thank you. Wow, handsome. Do you have hot pot here? Hot pot, hot pot. Are there two hot pot places? Which one is this? I'm coming here. Thank you. You have two hot pot places here. Don't you guys fight like this? Hello, can I go over there and take a look? Wow, this is fun. This is freshly stir-fried scrambled eggs. I was wondering, what's up with the taste in Chengdu? Very interesting. Hello. Do I pick the dishes from here? Or can I order at the table? You can, at the table. I thought I want to make a table. Is there a place where I can have this kind of pot? This is the Lai Liao pot, a more special kind of soup base. Wow, let's pick one. There's a menu here. Take a look. Give me a slightly spicy hot pot, okay? What else is good and special? And then, put in the soup, arrange for pig head rolls. Tripe is also one of our specialties. What's special about it? Its color is different from other tripe. We have that blood red tripe. And it tastes crunchier. Unclear. More sleepy. La performer, sir. Well, hello, hello. Wow, there's such a thing. Great, great, thank you so much. No problem. This is beef throat. Very crunchy. Get me one. Do you have those fatty beef rolls? Yes, it's very good. Our crab sticks are also very special. Do you want to try some crab sticks? Is this pork? Or the seafood crab? That tree in the sea. I'll have one. I see there are desserts too. Are there any desserts? We have two. One is violent beating lemon tea. We grow it ourselves. We must grow it firmly. Then give me a good, hard one. Be hard. Must be harder. What is this? This is xiao pai. Let's have a xiao pai, okay? Then that's all, okay? Please wait a moment. Okay. Almost ready. Got the lock wrong. I feel like I'm really in that kind of outdoor atmosphere. I really feel like I'm outdoors. I'm not indoors. It'd be perfect if there was just a little bit of ocean. This is braised beef. Wow, they've put this braised beef in such a beautiful bowl. You can eat this directly. You can also cook it in the hot pot. Okay, let's have it. Its color is the same as the color of water. Is this tripe? Tripe, wow. The boss said it's like opening a blind box. Not every cow. This color is there for some beef, and not for others. This is beef throat. It's like a red flower of the king crab. Here comes my treasure. Thank you. This is quite detailed. This braised beef has 10 pieces. There are 20. There are 30. Do you want the cooked one? Do you want to share some? Do you want the one with gold? You get what you pay for. It's so good. Let's see how to flip it over. This is our handmade roasted chicken. Thank you so much for this great thing. You can just roll up this pickled radish with red oil and eat it. Okay. Wow. Awesome, everyone. Wow, this pot is different. The broth is very stimulating, everyone. It's really stimulating. Is this mildly spicy? I have regressed on mild spice. We make Chongqing hot pot. Is that what Chongqing hot pot is? I'll transfer you the money for the drinks from the Chongqing hot pot. Okay, alright. Help! What is this? So much hair, here it is. Thank you. Wow, everyone. This taste is amazing. You take a sip. Only the rich taste of lemon. No impurities. Very clean. I feel like I'm eating noodles. This is amazing. It's not chewy. It melts directly in your mouth. It's quite interesting. Its minor flaw is that it's a bit spicy. And it's a bit numbing. Are these in your beef? Where is the beef's throat? The throat, right. Wow, look, when they cook in China, they don't even spare the cow's throat. But ha ha ha. But now, Chinese cuisine is so well researched. Really, first of all, is it delicious? I don't know, but I'm especially curious about the name. I'll try it. Hello, hee hee. Look, everyone, this restaurant is in a market. Really, there are people selling vegetables there. And there, they sell meat. And over there, it seems they sell seafood. Isn't this squid? I overcooked it. Everyone, I overcooked it. I can't chew it at all. Let's have another one. Let's see if we can. Guys, it's getting more and more delicious. Then, step by step, all its hairs are gone. Anyway, the more you chew, the more fragrant it is. It feels pretty good. Hey, bro. Can you cook one for me? I don't have such a good control over the world. Let's have the chef arrange it. Okay, this is really delicious when it's done. Is this a noodle clock? I'll give you one of these. You. Wow, this is very crispy. I feel like you're competing. This is just right. You have good control of the time. The timing for hot pot is very important. If the hot pot time is too long or not long enough, the taste is completely different. It's great having you here today. I'm so happy. Wow. This is Pai Fen. The Fen. We'll set off at dawn. The dream has already. No heart, no fear. There's a place, if you're in this, everyone. Before I went to Iraq, when all the dishes are put in the pot, take them out and eat them directly. No need to add gardenia. But recently, I feel that my tongue is. Iraq? This has fresh cut beef. Is it also a kind of jalon? Let's have a good serving of jalon. Okay, wow. Everything in my life is just to have it. Let's treat it sincerely. Thank you all. Recently, many friends said they want to see my sister and sister. Aren't we studying now? Guys, I opened an account for him. And then, I said hello everyone. This is my sister's full month. You can follow it. It broke 100,000 in 2 days. Almost 100,000. Thank you very much for your tolerance. I've been eating hot pot lately. Why do you think I've been eating hot pot lately? Guys, I just want to bring out the previous flavor roll. Fellow viewers, listen to this environment. It feels really interesting. This restaurant is very down to earth. I remember when I was a child, going to the market with my parents to buy things. Very nostalgic. Very down to earth. The dishes are also very rich. The taste is refreshing. Your good brother ate so much today. How much do you think I spent? Let's go and see, everyone. How much did we spend? Right away, ha ha ha. Oh yes. Do you think I should let everyone see? Today is Women's Day. We sent a bouquet of flowers to every girl. What is Women's Day for? The festival for all the goddesses in China. Every day is a goddess's holiday. Is there a Men's Day? There is Father's Day. You're a single dog. It's useless. Thanks, brother, take a picture. Of course. Thank you. Where do we pay? Boss, pay the bill. Hello. It's 256 yuan. Okay. Everyone, 256. 256. Thank you. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Okay, everyone. Today I found this flavor. I hope you all like it. Today, your good brother spent 56. Do you think 56 is expensive or cheap? Love you all. Wish you well. Wish you happiness. See you tomorrow.